MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Business Administration, UVC, Mysuru. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos on managerial economics and management and organizational behavior. In this video, let us discuss what are the contributing disciplines to OB. That is, what are the contributing disciplines to organizational behavior. So we will study different types of disciplines, what are its contribution, what unit of analysis this particular discipline is contributing, and what is the output. So the first discipline which contributes to OB is psychology. So psychology is nothing but it seeks to measure and explain the behavior of humans and other animals. So psychology is to understand a person's mindset. Psychology systematically studies a person's mindset, measures a person's mindset and behavior, not only human beings, even animals as well. And what are its contribution? In any organization, we have to understand people's psychology. If we have not understood their mindset, if we have not understood why they are behaving in a particular way, then it is very difficult for us to motivate them. It is very difficult for us to understand when they will learn, how they will learn. It is very difficult to understand their personality. It is very difficult to understand their emotions, perceptions. I cannot understand when training has to be given, in which area I have to give training, how to train them to cope up with the challenges of the organization, how my leadership is affecting them. If I don't understand them, then leaders cannot effectively use their strategies or skills. If I don't understand their mindset, we may not be able to create better job satisfaction to them. If I don't understand their mindset or mental behavior, I cannot design proper work. I don't know whether they are really stressed or not. I will not know their attitude. So all these are the contributing discipline or contributing factors of this particular discipline called psychology. And psychology is always individual analysis because we study individual's mindset. And the next discipline is socio-psychology. So socio-psychology focuses on people's influence on one another. So how different individuals influence other individuals. You may get influenced by few people in your life. When few people come to you and tell, then you listen to them. This is called socio-psychology. This will impact, or this can be used for behavioral changes. For example, if two friends start fighting, they will not listen to anybody but only one person. And if that person comes and tells, they stop fighting. These kind of behavioral changes or conflict changes or attitudinal changes can be brought if I know social psychology of other individuals. Then communication, to communicate in a better way, because you listen to few people, and if those people tell you, then you listen to them. When you make group decisions, when power is there, when conflict comes, when fight comes, and for intergroup behavior, we need to understand which is that person who is influencing you, or which is that person who influences other person. And this is always group in nature, because social psychology talks about different individuals impacting one individual. Next is sociology. Sociology is that kind of discipline which studies individuals' behavior based on their social environment. How individuals behave in their environment, in their area, in their vicinity, in their community, in their social environment. And if I change their environment, then how do they behave? If I change their society, then how do they behave? How Indians behave in India is different from how Indians behave in America. So when society or social environment change, people change their behavior. And we try to study how individuals' behavior changes based on different societies or social environment. That is called sociology. And if we do particular study or discipline, if we understand that in a better way, then whenever we want to bring some change in organizational technology, whenever we try to bring in any change of system or process in the organization, or when we want to bring a better organizational culture, then automatically we have to know how individuals behave in different organizational setup or different social environment. And next discipline is anthropology. So anthropology is a study of various societies. Here we study how different societies, people in different societies behave, and this will help us to have a strong cross-cultural analysis, because if people come from different country, different cultural background, so for that we should understand how people behave in their culture so that we can accommodate them and we can analyze their cross-cultural problems. Then organizational culture, and to create a powerful work environment, we should understand how other societies and how people in other societies behave, and comparative attitudes and values. When people come from different parts of the world and different parts of the country, we should have a comparative attitude and value system in the organization to lead the organization in one direction. So to do all this, we should know how different societies work. And this is always based on organizational system and group. So we analyze psychology individually, we analyze social psychology and sociology in a group way, we analyze anthropology based on organizational system and based on group in the organization. And finally, the output should be study of organizational behavior for better performance of the organization. Thank you for watching the video.